Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make African earring using this beautiful African print. So stay along as we go into this video. And this fabric, I'll be using this mini cups I got here to cut out circles using this. So to do that, you're going to put I want a big and a medium and a small one. So I'm going to take turns in cutting out the circles using these cups. So I have a marker here with me. I'm going to be using, this is a dry erase marker, and you could use anything you want. You could use pencil or whatever, chalk, whatever you want to trace out your circles. So I'll go ahead and trace out my circle using this. So go around it. So I'll be needing two pieces of the big one, and I'll also go ahead and trace out the circles of this one. 2 pieces each of the medium one. Trace around it. That's what it looks like. Don't know if you could see that. I'll be cutting that out, and I need 2 pieces of the smallest one. So I'll be putting the cup down and I'll also trace it out. All right, so that's what it looks like. If you could see the mini circle. So I'm going to be cutting that out, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So guys, I'm done cutting out my circles. So I have the big one, the medium, and I have the little one. So to get started in making our earrings, we're going to fold each of them. Fold the circle into 2 parts, 2 equal parts, and then you have this half a circle. Then you fold again to make a triangle. So we have a beautiful triangle here. So we're going to sew with our needle and thread along this edge. We're going to sew along this edge, loop stitch, and then we'll pull it together. Then we'll do the same for the medium circles and do the same for the small circles. So I'm going to show you how we can do that. I already have my thread and needle ready to go with the thread. So we're going to start sewing on the edge here. So we'll go in. Remember, when trying to make loose stitch, so just stitch loosely along the edge. See? Just go. So that's what it looks like. So pull our needle all the way out. But my fabric seems to be a very strong one. Okay, so that's what we have. So we have this beautiful looking flower. So I'm going to do the rest and then show you how I assemble the different sizes together. See you when I'm done sewing the rest of the circles. So that's what it looks like, all sewn together, the 3 of them. So I'll be joining the 3 together. So I'll be putting my needle to the first one that I made. because I want to gather the circle together. So that's what it's gonna look like. So it's gonna look that way. So I'm gonna gather it together. So that's what we have. Kind of like a star, a flower. So we'll pull more and then tighten. We'll tighten this. So back stitch on it again to keep the shape in place. So back stitch. Then we'll tie it off. So this is what you will have. So after tying it up, I'm going to finish up the look, the earring look. And I'll come back and show you. So you can attach your earring hook at the tip here or over here, anywhere you prefer to attach your earring hook. So I'm going to go on and attach the earring hook, and I'll finish up the second one and I'll show you what it looks like. So guys, this is what it looks like after I have finished joining the three pieces together. It's looking very beautiful already. So to cover up the rough parts here, I'm going to be using 2 mini pom-poms to beautify it. And at the same time, the back here, you see it has some rough edges. So I'm going to be using this little piece of fabric to cover up the rough parts here so that it will look very beautiful. So to do that, put on the pom-poms, I'm going to use regular glue. So I'm going to try to get lots of glue on it, enough to hold it down. Rub it in. So, and then I put it at the center. Try to find the center right here. So when you put it down, you have to apply pressure. So I'm going to keep that one to be drying while I do the other one. So get lots of glue on this, rub it in so that it's not going to fall off. Then I'm going to be putting this, and then apply some pressure so it can dry out. Okay, so we are done adding our pom-poms to this, and this is already looking very beautiful. It's already looking very beautiful. So I'll be covering the back. So this is what I have. This is what it looks like. So while the pom-poms are drying on, I'm going to be covering the back of the fabric. So turn it to the back. So I apply some glue on this. Apply some glue on this. And then I place it right here at the back. So when this dries, I'm going to be trimming it to the size of the bottom. I'm going to trim the excess fabric out of there. Then we'll do the next one put some glue on, then we'll put it at the back right here to cover up the rough patch. Okay, so I'm going to be trimming off the excess fabric, and then I'll show you how we'll attach the hook to it. So this is what it looks like. There's the back, and there's the front. That's a close-up look of what it looks like. It looks beautiful. So I'll be attaching the hook, the earring hook, this. So I'm going to be using my seam ripper to create a hole in the little triangle here. So I'm going to be putting a hole in the little triangle here, and I'll use the seam ripper, and I'm going to poke a hole right in here. I don't know if you can see that. I'll be doing that towards the tip, towards the tip of this. We'll be fixing our earring hook in that hole. So just make it big enough to fit the hook. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So I'll be attaching the earring hooks to it, and I'll come back and I'll show you what our earring looks like. So I've already attached the hook to the first one, and I'll be attaching the hook to the second one. So I used a plier to open up my earring hook, so I'm going to pass it through the hole, and then could tighten it up. Then you press it in, then you tighten it up. Okay, I'll finish applying it. I'll finish adding the hook to it and tighten it up. Then I'll show you what the end product looks like. So we are done with our earring. Looks beautiful. Yes, I love the end product of it. Looks very beautiful. I'm going to hold it up here so that you could see what it actually looks like. So this looks beautiful. So I enjoyed making this, and I hope you do enjoy making it too. Try it and enjoy wearing it. It's beautiful and it's simple to make. It doesn't take a lot of time. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe so that we can make more videos. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye. So guys, I just wanted to show you before I leave what it looks like when you put it on. So it looks so beautiful. It's very lightweight, and just anyone can make it. Just try it. Bye. See you in my next video.